Let me introduce you to the Typhoon Match Kit. I believe every single person in the United States should have one of these in their pocket or in their go bag or in their house. Here it is. You get 15 matches in this Typhoon Match Kit. What's so important is their burn time is about 30 seconds, well more than a regular match, but that's not even the half of it. If you open this, you always have an ignition pad to light this match, and it's a heavy-duty match. Let me show you what I mean. See that? Strike that, blow it out. It's a torrential windstorm. It's a great windstorm. You can't blow it out, but that's okay. What happens if it starts raining? Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's still lit. Well, what happens if you fall in the lake? It's still lit. See, with these, you could light a fire anywhere at any time anytime you need it. And I think it's so important because if you don't have fire in a survival situation, or even if you're out camping or with your friends, you lose big time. So I want to give you these Zippo matches today. They're $12.95 and just a few dollars shipping. I want you to go grab them right now. I think they're awesome. You could also grab more on the next page at a little bit of a discount. Zippo is unbelievable, and the matches they made are incredible. You should have them for your survival. See ya.